Are you a real estate agent who uses the same bank account for your business and your personal life? If so, we need to talk. I'm Natalie, and I help real estate professionals clean up their books so they can keep more of their money. Mixing business and personal finances is one of the top mistakes I see with new and even experienced agents. It seems convenient until tax season hits or you're trying to get approved for a loan. Stop mixing accounts. It's costing you. Here's why this hurts you financially. Number one, tax deductions can get messy. If your groceries and gas receipts are mixed in with lockbox purchases and staging fees, your CPA is going to have some missed stuff. Number two, you might overpay in taxes. Missed write off means more taxes. Number three, you look unprofessional to lenders. If you ever want a mortgage, car loan, or line of credit, they want clean business records. They don't want to see brunch mixed in with buyer commissions. So, what's the solution? Here's the fix: open a separate business checking account. Even if you're a solo agent or still new, link it to a business debit card and run all your real estate income and expenses through there. It keeps your books clean and your money working for you. I specialize in bookkeeping and advisory for real estate agents and professionals. Let's clean up your books and get you lender and tax ready. Book a free 15-minute consult at geeksrewomen2.com. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful and it added value, please give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and ring that bell to get notified the moment new content goes live. Your likes, shares, and comments help more people discover these tips. I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.